I am Dharani, working as assistant professor in SNS College of Technology in the Department of Food Technology. I am going to explain about shrink packaging. Shrink packaging. Shrink film is used as the basic material and heat forms an important part of the operation in shrink packaging, or commonly known as shrink wrapping. Shrink wrapping is done in following four stages: wrapping, sealing, shrinking, cooling. Wrapping includes sleeve wrapping or over wrapping. Sealing include necessary only for over wrapping. Shrinking with application of hot air and cooling. Plastic used for shrink wrapping. Shrink wrapping can be quite complex in their structure. Most of the packaging films that are used for shrink wrapping are from polyolefin range. These are materials produced from oil-based chemicals by what is called polymerization process, which is which basically means getting the right molecules and atoms to club together in a way that is required or desirable for a particular application. Polypropylene. Polypropylene is comparatively less used in shrink and stretch wrapping because it is slightly harder than other commonly used materials. It has It has higher melting temperature and is less stable when shrinking. However, many overwrapping machines polypropylene and some can be put through a shrink tunnel to give a slight tightening effect. Polyvinyl chloride (PVC) is a dense material as most polymers are sold by weight, and there has been ecological pressure in Europe and America against its use. Sometimes use of PVC is restricted. However, it is still considered to be a common material in India. When clarity is an important selection criterion, particularly for consumer packaging. Polyethylene. Polyethylene is the most commonly used material for shrink and stretch wrapping because it is relatively cheap and can be produced in range of different densities and modified with additives to perform many functions. The vast majority of shrink film is LDPE, and some of the more films have blends of LDPE as well. Sometimes a little quantity of HDPE material is also added. Extended shelf life. Shrink packaging creates an airtight seal that protects food from moisture, air, and contaminants. This helps to preserve freshness and slow down spoilage. Protection from contaminants. It shields food products from dirt, dust, pest, and external contaminants during storage, transport, and display. Reduced oxygen exposure. Using specialized shrink film such as oxygen barrier film can minimize oxidation, thereby maintaining the quality, flavor, and color of food. Improved hygiene. Shrink packaging keeps food sealed, preventing tampering and minimizing handling. This ensures a more hygienic product for consumers. Space efficiency. Shrink wrapped food products are compact and easier to stack, store, and transport, optimizing space usage in warehouses and retail sleeves. Shrink packaging. The advantages of shrink packaging includes extended shelf life, protection from contaminants, reduced oxygen exposure, improved hygiene, space efficiency. Polyethylene is one of the components or material used in the shrink packaging. It is mainly used for shrink and stretched wrapping. Thank you.